Peter Obi lacks the courage, the strength, the ruggedity and the ruthlessness to tackle the hydra-headed monsters destroying this nation right now. He belongs to the classroom. He's too soft, too fearful, too diplomatic for the bleeding nation we live in right now. We don't need a headmaster. We need a strong man, a warrior, a fearless and brutal leader that will face these demons head on. How can a man who counts pennies like a trader stand up to bloodthirsty bandits and sophisticated terrorists? He is a weakling who saved money in Anambra State while people hungered. He is not fit to withstand the ruthless terrain of Nigerian politics. He will be swallowed alive. Those words are the hollow and desperate fabrications of his haters. It's a theater of lies sold by a dying political class who mistake loud arrogance for actual strength. Now let us present cold, hard, and concrete facts to dismantle their illusions right now. History doesn't lie. Let them ask the ghost of the criminal underworld in Anambra.
When he took office, Opiweka was a no-go area,
controlled by ruthless kingpins, deadly armed robbers, and untouchable kidnappers. Peter Obi did not beg them. Rather, he looked them in the eye and declared total war. Obi did not just deploy security forces. He rewrote the law, making kidnapping a capital offense. He did what no rugged politician had the balls to do. He personally led the bulldozers to level the multi-million naira mansions of kidnappers to the ground. He wiped out their fortresses, crushed their syndicates, and transformed Anambra State into the safest state in the entire country. That is not weakness. That is a terrifying, calculated execution of justice. Now let's talk about his economic wizardry. He inherited a state crippled by debts and decades of unpaid pensions. He didn't borrow away the future of the children. He decimated corruption. He slashed the cost of governance to the bone, refused to collect a single kobo of pension for himself, and built the best network of roads in the entire country. He single-handedly dragged Anambra's education from the absolute gutters of 26th place to number 1 in Nigeria. And when he handed over power, he did not leave a mountain of debts. Rather, he left a staggering, unprecedented 75 billion naira and $150 million in foreign currency for the next generation. Who else has done that in the history of modern Nigeria? Nobody. Peter Obi does not need to shout to be strong. He does not need a convoy of terror to prove his power. His silence is lethal calculation. His humility is his armor, and his discipline is absolute chaos to the corrupt elite that has bled this nation dry. Peter Gregory Obi is not a weak man. He is a silent, formidable, and unstoppable storm. We are all standing at the absolute edge of history. This is our battlefield, and Peter Obi is our champion. Come 2027, our mandate must stand! This is beyond the headline.